guys, it's Jess and welcome to my channel. Happy Monday. I hope y'all are having an amazing week. What I'm doing actually this week is I'm vlogging a week of my life. It's been a hot minute since I've done that last. I think this is my first college week of my life video, so stay tuned. This is gonna be a fun one. So it's Monday morning, and as you saw, I kind of got up, got ready. I usually am doing my online class by now. I'm like halfway through it because I get an online class every week. I have modules for it and I sit down and do it all on Monday just to get it done for the week. But today they have not posted it yet, which is weird. So what I have been doing instead is just like a nice Monday morning cleanup. I cleaned my closet, I made my bed, I hung up and folded all my clothes. I have like a couple more surfaces that are dirty, but yeah, that's how I started my day today. So I just finished editing a video, which is super exciting. I started editing this video yesterday. I filmed 4 videos last week, which is like really good and what I probably should have been doing like all year. So it is now uploading, which is very exciting. So it's gonna be about 5 minutes, which is like absolutely insane. It's 11:30 now, and probably between 12 and 12:30 I'm gonna get lunch with one of my friends when she comes back. I need to get dressed at some point in like less casual clothes. I'm wearing like my sweatshirt and leggings just to be here, but I am planning sometime between 1:30 and 3:30. One of my professors from last semester has office hours. I really wanted to go visit her because she's super cool, and I ate my lunch. Super nice. I had leftovers from Chili's. Hashtag welcome to Chili's. And then my friend Sarah came over and ate lunch with me in my room, and we just ate some truffles she got from the dining hall. Good times. I was gonna sit, I've gotten ready to go. If you can't, I'll take my hair down when I actually go out. I think what I'm gonna do is I really want to get my quiet time done for the day because I'm bad on weekends about like sitting down and like reading a devotional and praying and having that quiet time. But now seems like a perfect time, and also kind of trying to think of what I'm forgetting because I'm definitely forgetting something. It'll come to me. But yeah, today is a very chill day, whereas tomorrow is going to be packed. Okay, so I have office hours in 15 minutes now, so I'm dressed. I just put on some jeans, a shirt, one of my favorite jackets. I'm wearing my slippers. They're not actually slippers, but like they're kind of slipper shoes. But so I am about to go to office hours, so I just grabbed my backpack in case I decide to study while I'm out, you know, because I'm already out. So I got my backpack, got everything I need. Hey guys, I'm back now. So it is now 2:55, so basically 3. I was going to my professor's office hours today at 1:30, and I got there and said they were at 2:15. I don't know if it was just for today or what, but so I ended up going, and then I was already out and I was like, okay, hey, you should still go. So I had to wait 45 minutes, so I sat down outside. It's a really nice day. It's like not hot, not cold, so I'm about to open up my window again. But I made an appointment with my advisor. I responded to some YouTube comments. I checked all my emails. I started studying for an exam I have later this week. Didn't do a lot of studying, but I got to go visit my professor, and I kind of just wanted to visit because I'm trying to keep in touch with a couple professors who I really liked last semester. So that's one good thing. And then I got to see my friend Sarah afterwards too. She was sitting outside of one of the buildings I was at. We just kind of sat and talked for a few minutes, and then she had to go to class, and I decided to come back here. But now I have about an hour before I'm going to meet with someone because we have to work on a poster together. So I'm trying to decide what to do. It's kind of a mellow Monday. I worked really hard this weekend on like YouTube, and I usually work really hard Tuesday, Thursday. So I might just like honestly like lounge around and chill for a little bit. I think I'm gonna eat. This is a bad snack, but I have some Skittles that I need to get rid of, and I think I'm gonna eat some Skittles. Okay, so since I think we last talked, I worked a lot on this poster I have for an event, and then I ate dinner with my friends. We're hanging out right now. Sarah does not want to be shown. Sarah and I are about to go to the gym, and we're not, I don't know. I'm not really feeling it, except we both decide we're gonna go together. We're gonna get on the bikes. It's gonna be good. It's 8:54 in the morning. I have a class in like 30 minutes. I have to eat. I'm so tired.
Hi, I'm bold.
No, you're cute. It's okay. This is our lab. We're Jay chilling. We did our pitch already.
Just submitted my project, so
yeah, you're done.
I'm free.
Hey guys, it has been a long day. It is like 3:30 on Tuesday now. I have on Tuesdays, I have class from 9:30 in the morning until 3:15, which is like basically like normal school. But I don't get lunch and I don't stop except for like 15 minutes in between each one, so that's fun. But I've been snacking all day. I always eat dinner like right at 5 when it opens on these days. But I think yesterday I talked about how my online class wasn't updated, so today between classes I was watching the tail end of my online class. I stayed up late yesterday to do most of it, and now I have about 30 minutes left. I thought originally that I was gonna, I don't know why I'm leaning this way, I thought that I originally meant like, I don't know, do something else at the same time because it's kind of like an easy thing for me to multitask too. I'm learning about video games today, which is cool. I don't know much about this, so that's a good thing. I haven't seen my friends all day, and like, if we're being honest, I'm kind of like tired and hungry and kind of I'm kind of in that right now, just a little but I think that if I like can accomplish some things and eat some dinner, I think I will feel a lot better. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Too much like what somebody else has done, like that was always became a really like fine line of, you know, trying to straddle that but not go too far into
well, the artists are doing the exact thing. That's what I love so much about
Oh, hello.
Hi. Okay, so
wait, that was the most Asian thing I've ever done.
you're so cute.
Oh,
Ashley and I have just been chilling out. She was doing her online class. Honestly, I kind of am killing time until dinner, if I'm being completely honest. Hey guys, Ashley and I just ended up going to dinner, and then we met up with my friend Adri. Had that was good. Had some good dessert. It was really nice. But now I have about 15 minutes before I'm about to head out to meet someone back at school. So I'm like trying to figure out what to do for 15 minutes. I think I'm gonna try and be productive. I talk about my passion planner in every video. Kind of can't get away without saying it, but in my passion planner every month I do a monthly reflection, which I'm so bad about doing, but I'm really trying to actually do them. And so I was gonna sit and reflect on March. We'll see how far I get, but like it seems like a good thing because I'm like, okay, I'm not gonna study for 10 minutes. Like, it's just not my vibe right now. But when I come back, I do have to study. I also really want to do a face mask, so we'll see how that goes. I will keep y'all posted. Okay, so Adrian and I just finished studying. We've actually just been chilling out for a while, so she's about to leave, but yeah.
Wait, what else do I do? A whip.
Oh! Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It is right now 11:17, not bad. I don't have class on Wednesday, which is why I get to kind of take Wednesdays a little slow. These are usually my chill days. I always have comm council at 7 on Wednesdays, but obviously like it's the middle of the day, so not a huge concern right now. I do actually have today, I have an event for the honors program I'm in. We're going to watch 2001: A Space Odyssey, so around 3 p.m. I'm going back to school. Then I'm gonna run back here for dinner and then go right back for comm council. But until then, I have kind of a short to-do list. I have my friend Ashley's stuff on my bed. Her birthday is tomorrow, so I'm going to put together her gift. I have to print something. I'm printing a picture of us for a frame I got. That's really cute. I need to like study. I need to do my quiet time, just like random things on my list. I just finished updating my computer, which is good. But yeah, today is just kind of one of those chill random days. Nothing exciting is happening, but also like nothing bad. It's gonna be a great day. Okay, so since it's Ashley's birthday tomorrow, I'm putting together her gifts, right? And she's a very thoughtful gift giver. So I found this really cute frame, which is like a very Ashley vibe. Like, she's very into like, I don't know, I feel like she likes cute, simple stuff. Oh, phone call. Oh, it's a sales call. Anyways, she like, I feel like like cool, like classy, sleek, I don't know, which I guess this isn't like sleek, but I just feel like this is a good vibe for her. But so I tried to print this super cute picture of us when we went to tea the other day for her birthday. We went to tea. She's very classy like that. But tried to print this picture, and let me show you what it turned out like. So I love us, but we look like demons. Do you see us? Who are they? Why do we look like, okay, so it turns out I guess I'm running out of color ink. So I was on the phone with my mom and I printed this, and I guess she's gonna be near downtown today, so she told me that well, I sent it to her and she printed it for me. I was gonna have a friend print it, but she was like, no, I'll come see you. And so she's gonna print it and cut it for me. And then I also got her cute little succulent because I thought it looked pretty with the frame. I got her some coffee candy because she loves coffee, and I got her this lavender scrub, which I think she's going to love. I'm so excited. And so yeah, that is what I am working on putting together right now. Hello. We just popped popcorn. We have a movie event we're supposed to go to in 10 minutes. It's like a 5-minute walk, so we're fine. But hey guys, a lot has scary. I just like went down. I was just like, hello. I was just caught off guard. I feel comfortable around you. I was just gonna start vlogging. Oh my goodness. OMG. Okay. Hi guys. Oh my goodness. It has been such a long day. It's 10:30. Oh my goodness. The last time the last clip I filmed, I think, was when I was watching 2001: A Space Odyssey. I went my honors, what am I saying? I'm in an honors college, and it's a small group, and we watched a movie and had a discussion, and it like blew my mind. So did that, and then I had to like run home for dinner and then run right back to school for a communication council meeting, which is like one of my favorite parts of the week. But today was election, so it was like super intense, very long. We didn't end meeting until like, honestly, I think it was like 9:30. Maybe later, but did like a clothing trade for our after meeting social, and so I grabbed a bunch of stuff to try on, and so I tried a few things on. I'm gonna take a few back, I'm gonna keep a few, and then I'm gonna bring some clothes of my own tomorrow so that it's like an exchange. But I got some really cute pieces, and that was really fun. And so Ashley and I have been like talking. I made her watch me try on my clothes and help me pick. Tomorrow's Ashley's birthday. Woo! Good morning, y'all. It is now Thursday. My room is a mess. I have an exam in a few hours. I'm out of breath from taking the stairs. But yeah, I got dressed already. I'm not gonna wear this again because I wore this yesterday, but I went down to the dining hall and felt like I might be cold, so I threw this on over my outfit. So I just grabbed breakfast, and I always grab snacks for Tuesday, Thursdays because I have 3 back-to-back classes, so I was gonna show y'all what I like to grab usually. Okay, so today for breakfast I got a bagel. I probably shouldn't have. It was just because I was in a hurry. Normally, like today's waffle day, I'd normally eat waffles. But I always like to grab an apple and slice it, put it in a baggie. And then I like to grab these like oats and honey granola bars. Those are really good. I usually eat both those between classes. And then today they had chocolate chip muffins, so I had to grab one. And the cool thing is, because I can't have lunch, those are usually like semi-healthy ways to snack during the day. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you really quick my outfit of the day. I'm wearing just my favorite Levi high-waisted shorts. This shirt is from H&M, but I got it last night at the clothing swap. It was my friend Jessica's. And then I'm just bringing an Old Navy cardigan. Mainly because I don't really feel like any of my jackets match, but like I gotta have something because classrooms are cold. So I have just decided I'm about to brush my teeth and just head on out. It's 10:20, my class is at 11, but I'd rather just go sit outside or sit somewhere and study than like sit around in my room because I'm getting a little like antsy and I just want to leave.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashley.
Hey guys, so a lot has happened today. I don't know how much of this makes sense from the clips I'm filming because they are limited, but also it's just like weirdness. But so today was a very class heavy day for me. Lots of like I had an exam and just like a lot of like discussion that like I'm not gonna film, like class discussion. And then I don't know, I just had random stuff to do. We celebrated Ashley's birthday. I'm gonna throw in the cute pics. It was so much fun. Right now I'm hanging out with Ashley, Sarah, and Ben downstairs in the ballroom, but the ballroom is freezing cold. I just switched into my men's sweatpants because I do not want to wear shorts anymore. It was like so warm today, but I just can't handle it anymore. I took off my jewelry, but same comfy shirt and then my sweats, and I had to get my laptop charger and my phone charger because I mean, like, it's 9 o'clock. Like, you know my stuff's dying. I just finished editing a video that is for next week, so that's exciting too. Hey guys, I just finished hanging out with Ashley and Ben and Sarah. I'm a bad vlogger, so I forgot to vlog it, but I started editing the vlog and it's so long. I don't know what it is now when you're watching it, but it was so long that maybe that's why. Maybe my subconscious was like, stop filming, and it worked. But so, it is like midnight. I'm packing because tomorrow I'm going home. I don't have classes on Friday, and so sometimes I go home, sometimes I stay on campus. But honestly, like, the real truth is like I just feel awful, like mentally, like mental health not peak right now, and I'm trying really hard to like do my best this week and to stay positive, but like it is kind of exhausting and I really need some time to like recharge. But I obviously like didn't want to take away from anything happening this week or like from like Ashley's birthday. So now what I'm doing is I'm gonna pack some stuff for like tomorrow and maybe Saturday. Then I'm just gonna go spend some time with my mom and like take some time for myself. That's really important to do. I don't talk about this a lot, but like I wanted to share this on here so that you know it's like not weird. So what is important is taking care of yourself, so that's what I'm doing. Just in case I don't film anything else, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week. I want to end on a happy note. It really is all good. I'm so excited to be like posting so much and doing so much YouTube. It's my favorite thing. I love you guys so much. Please be sure to subscribe because I really want to like keep up with you and share my life with you. I want you to be able to see it all. If you are at this point in the video, comment down below and let me know what the coolest thing happening to you next week is, or like what you're thinking about, like whatever's on your mind. Anyways, y'all, I will see you in my next video. Bye.